Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Volkswagen We Connect for trip planning step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have a compatible Volkswagen model with We Connect functionality. Next, download the We Connect app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app and create or log in to your Volkswagen account. After logging in, select My Car to find vehicles linked to your account. If your vehicle is not listed, use the app to add your car by entering the vehicle identification number. Make sure your vehicle is parked and turned on to establish a connection. Return to the app and select the trip planning feature. Enter your desired destination into the app's navigation system. You can customize your trip by searching for points of interest like charging stations or restaurants along the route. Once your route is planned, review the details to ensure everything is correct. After confirming the trip, select Send to Car. This action will transmit the route to your vehicle's navigation system. Now, access the navigation system in your car. Your planned trip should appear on the screen for you to follow. Before setting off, double-check the navigation details in your car. You are now ready to enjoy your trip with your Volkswagen using We Connect for enhanced planning. Remember to always stay aware of the road while navigating. With these steps, trip planning becomes a seamless experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.